We got light.
Here.
And I want her to look this way. Now down, so I can get her ears set. Now put it up to her a little bit and get her to reach out.
Aww.
Down. I can't see her face. And go up and down with that to get her to move her head. And then over here, hit that. There you go. Down. Like over here. There we go. Got good eye color. Down.